The Everson Jennings Bariatric Transport Chair combines extra capacity and compact transport. It is an affordable bariatric patient transfer device recognized by its 24 inches width, 2 inches wider than our competitors. It features a double cross base with a gusseted aluminum frame epoxy painted in silver color. The frame design allows a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds evenly distributed. Handle-mounted attended locks with cable for better control and access by companion are installed on each post, which facilitates wheel lock engagement without bending. Its 12-inch flat-free rear wheels with 8-inch swivel front casters allow better hold and durability. Its black padded nylon upholstery is flame retardant. It features a fold-down back, which makes transport and storage a breeze. It includes standard carry straps on each side of the seat for ease of lifting and folding. Removable flip-back desk-length padded arms provide user with comfort and ease of transfer. It comes with detachable swing-away footrest with composite footplates, one 42-inch long positioning belt, a 3-inch webbing back nylon leg strap with adjustable loops to slide over installed footrests. To prevent falls, anti-tippers are standard on models after serial number IOS 291. The EJ777-3 weighs 31 pounds without front rigging, making it easy to fold and transport when not in use. Our wheelchairs reflect the commitment to quality, durability, efficiency, and patient comfort as a signature of our work, created to keep you independent and on the go.